Good morning, friends. And today I'm going to show you how to do an online purchase from our DXN application from the Play Store. And we are going to the site. Just open the Play Store from your mobile. I'm just operating from the mobile right now, and I'm just showing you what is the process over there. And open your mobile and open the application Play Store and click on Play Store. After clicking on Play Store, you will get you type over there DXN app. On DXN app, you will click on the application we have. I will just show it's install. I have already installed, so it is showing that install, and directly I can open it. Okay. And when you download it, click on open, and after opening that, you do your logging at that time. If you are a new user or you are doing a first time logging, you have to click on, I will just show you. Just you have to click on the arrow on the right hand side. You can see over here. When you click on this arrow, you will get this page. And if you are doing a first time logging, you have to click on first time logging. And when you click on first time logging, you will get a message from a hi, welcome to DXN app, and you will get a message. Thank you for joining DXN for your first time logging. We need to verify that you are a real user. Please enter your distributor code, then request your activation code by clicking on the proceed button below, and you have to enter your membership code over here. When you enter your membership code, click on proceed, and the second step, it will give you an activation code of 4 to 7 digits on your mobile number or on your email ID, and enter that code. And after that code, you have to enter your new password. What you want to keep, you can keep on that, and you can also change later on. Whenever you want to change password, you can change it. Okay. So here I have shown you how to do your login first time, and after logging, you can purchase, you can do your logging again from here. And I'm showing you. Yeah, I'm just entering my logging ID over here. And click on enter your password and click on login, and you will get a click on yes, and type of page you will get with your ID number and your name, and from which country you are. You can see a flag of your country over here. And this is my dashboard, and you can see this over here, my personal PPV means my personal PV points value from this month, which whatever I have the purchase, I have can see over here. This is my personal points value. And also you can see over there and downline the four options are there over here. News and event, and when you click on this, you can get all your news and whatever the events we are going to held in this month. So you can see over there, clicking on that. And sponsor a distributor. If you want to sponsor a new member from any of the country, or from your country or your nearby, so you can sponsor them from here. When you have to select your sponsor, click on that sponsor code. So you have to select the country name, the person to whom you are going to see from if he is from India or Pakistan or Malaysia. You just have to select the country. You have to click on continue. Yeah, you have to select the country, from which country he is. Means if he is from Argentina, you have to select the country Argentina. You have entered your sponsor code. This is your sponsor code, and it's my sponsor code. And when you click on continue, you get see, this is your registration form. You will get access table, and you have entered the name of the person whom you are going to sponsor, what his gender is, and his date of birth, and his date of birth cannot be empty. This is compulsory. Date of birth is very compulsory, and here you have to enter your IC number or a passport number. That is compulsory, because you can enter your any voter ID or your driving license or republic of your country, any ID proof of your government, from government given ID. You can enter over here digit, and you can have to select the nationality, and after that you have to enter your mobile number, and after entering your mobile number you have to enter your email address, the person whom you are going to sponsor. All the details are required of that person. Email ID is compulsory to give over here, and in personal text you don't have to enter anything over there currently. And in additional informations you can see over your address, you have to put your residential address over here, your state, what is the state, and your town and postcode. And if you have a beneficiary, then you have to enter your beneficiary information on clicking on yes or no. If you want to add some beneficiary name, means like your mom, your father, your daughter, your son, your wife, or your husband, you want to any of them you want to enter, give their beneficiary name, you can click on yes. And after clicking on yes, you have to enter the beneficiary name and what is the relationship with you, and you have to click on, you don't have to enter any passport number or IC number, you just have to click on continue. And after continue you will get your welcome letter. You will get that second next step, where you have whatever the details you have entered right now in the previous page will display over there, to just to for your verification, that if you want to do any changes at that time, you can do at a time. After that you cannot change anything in, because it goes to the directly in the company website, and we have some process over there. If you want to do any correction in your name or any email ID or any correction, if you want, it takes some time to, and it have some process. So we have to follow that system to for that process, for that correction if you want to do. And when you click on continue, you get the next page, and after next step you have to confirm, and you have to click on, you will get a welcome message on your mobile number, and also on your email ID of your membership ID number. Okay, so this is your registration by the mobile also you can do. And day before I have just also shown the application of from a website what we can do, and online joining also. So today I am showing again the same application over here also, but this is from your smartphone, how you can use your smartphone. So okay, so this is the process of registration. And one more thing I will go to show you. I'm just going back again, and here you can see your online. Here you can see the menu. In menu you can see 562 options in online purchase. This is the main part we want. This online purchase, you have to select the products whatever you want. There is no compulsory of you have to buy this much product or that much products. You can buy as per your wish how much you want. You just have to pay that courier service charge to the company, and they will deliver your products to your doorstep. You don't have to go anywhere from your home. Such a type of business you are getting an opportunity over here. So I think you should take this benefit, and share with other also in to your nearby peoples and over the globe, because this opportunity is for everyone. Because COVID-19, the pandemic which have come, have given very big struggles and very big trouble also we can say, because many of people have apologized their job because they don't have job right now. And here we have the opportunity to approach them into this